Hi everyone. Today we will discuss some math question from SAT. Math part is a calculator part question. Okay, question number 28. If the system of inequalities y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 1 and y is greater than 1 half x minus 1 is graphed, which quadrants contain no solution? Okay, we can sketch one by one. Y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 1. Here, y-intercept is 1 and slope is 2. So roughly here. And greater than, upper part, or this part will be shaded, right? Since this is a system of inequalities, I will draw the second line first. Y is greater than 1 half x minus 1. So y-intercept is negative 1 here, and slope is 1 half. And since there is no equal sign, I will draw a dotted line here. Again, this is a greater than here. So please note that by these two lines, which part will be shaded twice? We must found that part, right? So please note that twice means, yes, this part. Is understandable? Now, question asks us which part does not have any solution. So definitely this part, right? Quadrant 4 does not have any solution. Okay, 29. For the polynomial p over x, the value of p over 3 is negative 2. Which of the following must be true about p over x? To solve this one, we must understand this one, remainder theorem. If you have f of x equals, for example, x minus a times q over x plus r, we can interpret this equation in two different ways. First, how about this one? When x minus a times q over x, then if you add r, the result will be f of x. Quite true, right? But how about this one? When f of x is divided by x minus a, the quotient will be q over x, and the remainder will be r. Is also true. Okay, for example, when you interpret this equation, we can interpret it into two different ways. First one, 3 times 4 plus 2 is 14. Yes, quite a simple things. But we can interpret this equation like when 14 divided by 3, the quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 2, right? 14 minus 12 will be 2. Is also okay? So in the case, we have a very, very important theorem, remainder theorem can be made. I told you r is the remainder, right? Now, in this equation, if you plug in x equals a to both sides, then we have f of a equals a minus a q over a plus r. Although I don't know the value of q over a, we know that a minus a is 0. So this is the same as f over a equals r. Okay, what is the meaning of this equation here? When f of x divided by x minus a remains r, and this remainder can be found by simply f of a. Is it true? This is the remainder theorem. Now back to our question here. P over 3 equals negative 2. Then if I copy one more time, P of x, if you have a P of x equals x minus 3 Q of x minus 2. When you plug in 3 to this equation, now you have a P over 3. 0 times Q over 3 will be 0, negative 2 here. Now, what is the interpretation of this one? Here, the remainder when P of x is divided by x minus 3 will be negative 2. Is it true? Okay. Now, last question. You have a parabola. Okay, they gave us the equation here. Which of the following is an equivalent form of the equation of the graph shown on the xy plane above, from which coordinate of the vertex can be identified as a constant? They ask us vertex form, right? This is we say this one is the vertex form. So in this case, vertex is here, roughly 1 and negative 15 or negative 16, right? Please note that we have only this one is the vertex form, because vertex form will be expressed by y equals a x minus h squared plus k when h comma k is the vertex. Okay, maybe some other expression can be the equivalent equation, but if you understand this part clearly, you must find the vertex form. So in this case, D must be our answer. Is okay? Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.